and welcome to this quick tour of Gotham's online classes.
This should give you a pretty good idea of what to expect.
When you log in, your first stop is the My Desk area. I guess I should say your desk since it'll belong to you, not me. Here you'll see instructor announcements, the session planner, which keeps you up to date on what's happening each week, and the class roster, where you'll see a listing of your teacher and fellow students, bios and pictures included. The guidelines, where you get a rundown on how everything works, and a syllabus, where you'll see all the topics covered in the course.
You still with us? Good. Now let's move on to the other areas of your online classroom. First, let's visit the blackboard. A new lecture is posted here each week, and there's a running discussion about the lecture and other things right here. The teacher and all the students are invited to join the discussion. Your class will advance every week, but within each week, nothing happens in real time, meaning you can conduct your class business anytime you wish, day or night. Also, you can easily go back and look at the material from previous weeks. It's kind of like time travel, but without the fear of ripping apart the space-time continuum.
Next, let's visit the notebook, which is not just an emotionally charged novel by Nicholas Sparks. It's also the classroom area where you get a weekly writing assignment. It's very easy to post your work, like so. Soon after you complete your assignment, the instructor gives you feedback, here, and sometimes in these highlighted areas. As with the blackboard, you can go back and review the notebook for previous weeks.
Onward to the booth. This is where we put the workshop in Gotham Writers Workshop. In our 10-week workshop courses, this is where you submit your own projects to be critiqued by your teacher and fellow students. A schedule is set at the beginning of the class. If you're an overachieving middle child, you can volunteer to go early in the rotation. You upload your work here, just like you did in the notebook. Then you wait for the critiques to roll in.
Don't worry, no one gets beat up here. We have rules in place to make sure everyone is treated respectfully and everyone gets a balance of positive and critical comments. As with the notebook, your instructor gives you comments here, and sometimes here. We don't have a booth component in courses that are shorter than 10 weeks, though some of them do have a booth on the final week only, to give you a taste of the workshop experience.
Then we have the lounge. This is where everyone can hang out together, kind of like meeting for coffee or something stronger after class.
The lounge is the only part of our online classes that happens in real time, and it's purely optional.
Here's the library. Shh. This is where you'll find reading suggestions and lots of helpful resources.
Finally, the help area. We can't help with all of life's problems, but we promise to give you speedy assistance on any technical problem you're encountering.
Okay, that's the tour. Thanks for letting us show you around.
Stay in touch, and we hope to see you in a Gotham class someday.